Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we'll talk about what is Big O notation. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is Big O notation? A mathematical notation that describes the limiting behavior of a function when the argument tends towards a particular value or infinity. It is a member of a family of notations invented by Paul Boltzmann, Edmond Landau, and others, collectively called Boltzmann-Landau notation or asymptotic notation. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is Big O notation is all about, a very important concepts in computer science. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.